Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa. I'm so happy to upload another video. Now the weather is getting quite dry. It's the Hamilton season here, so protective styles are in order. So if you'd like to know what I am doing to keep my hair protected from the dry weather, keep watching. I have some knowledge about maintaining natural hair, but when it comes to wigs, honestly, I'm not there yet. So I have been watching a lot of tutorials, and the wig I picked is beginner friendly. So today I am reviewing a body wave bob wig by SoGoodHair. It's very soft. I like the length. I think it looks really pretty. The lace is already bleached, so I don't have to do any of that because I don't know how to do it anyways. I have worn it 4 times and it has baby hairs. The hairline is pre-plucked. So I mean, look at this. Let me see. I have cut out, the excess lace already, but I mean, I didn't have to pluck anything. And it comes in a natural color. I like that it has volume. I love volume. I'm used to volume. So this is a very good wig for beginners. And if you just want to try something different, you have natural hair or you have relaxed hair, and you want something that has some volume and will not require too much to, just put on in the morning and go out, then I recommend this one. I would say that it sheds a bit. I have combed it. If I comb it for maybe, should I say 10 seconds, I'll get like 10 strands of hair. So I mean, it's not that much, but I think you will get a little bit of shedding. So it came in this box. It's a white box that says, I'm not sure if you can see it. So it's just a white box that has SoGoodHair written on it. The wig came with some goodies in the pack. Thank you, SoGoodHair. So I got some bobby pins, and then this comb, very cute, came with it as well. A pair of lashes, a pair of eyelashes, 2 wig caps, and this tweezers, I believe, to pluck out the hair if you want some more hair plucked, more hair strands plucked, and a band that you can attach at the back of the wig, so it holds the wig in place. But I feel because it already has a strap at the moment, I really don't need that. I think the wig is fine as it is. And some clips here, 3 clips. I will try my best, okay? I will show you how I style this wig as well. Don't laugh, okay? So let's get to it. And before we get to it, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. So let me give you more details about this hair. It's actually 14 inches and it is 150% density. It's a small cap. I will give you a discount code that you can use at the end of this video. I saw this on YouTube. I'm supposed to apply my foundation, but I'm using my powder instead. Okay. The first time I wore this wig, I had to reintroduce myself to myself. That's how different I look. But I think it looks good. I like it. Okay. I think this looks absolutely beautiful. I love it. And it fits well. It fits securely. I'm just going to use the combs, but I'm not pushing the combs into the plaits, honestly, because it can be quite painful, and I will be very, very gentle when I'm taking out or taking down the hair. So this is what the wig looks like. I think it looks absolutely amazing. I haven't done much, and I haven't even brought out the baby hairs or anything. This is what it looks like. As you can see here, I'll need to, well, you don't need to, but I want to, I am going to bring out some of the baby hairs and just apply some hair gel. What do you think? Do I look very different? I think I still look absolutely stunning, by the way. I'm using this gel. It's the one I have. With this wig and with wigs in general, please take it easy on your hairline and on your edges, because it can snatch out the hairs mercilessly. So you have to be very careful. Make sure it's not too tight. So like I said, this is my way of doing it. I'm not a pro when it comes to wigs. Another way I like to style this hair is to give it a wet look, and I'm going to use a mousse. This is by Vital or Vital. So this is the final look, the final wet look style. I think it looks great. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. So if you would like to purchase this wig from SoGoodHair, here are the details once again. This is the body wave bob wig, and it is 14 inches and 150% density. This is a small cap size. I believe this is the longest length for this style. Enter the code LEWA and you will get 8% off, okay? So that is the discount code LEWA. And like I said, the hairline is pre-plucked and the lace is bleached. I think this is a fantastic wig for beginners, and of course you'll get some freebies as well with this wig. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box and in the comment section. So I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have recorded it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Have a prosperous 2020, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.